A traveling exhibit that celebrates the Tennessee Women's Suffrage Centennial has arrived in Memphis. It's on display in the History Department at the Benjamin L. Hooks Central Library. 100 years ago, Tennessee lawmakers became the 36th state to ratify the 19th Amendment, which made it legal for women to vote. The exhibit, which was created by the Tennessee State Library and Archives, brings the story to life through vignettes, quotes, and photographs that spotlight the decades it took to reach that point and what happened after women were given the right to vote. Among the Memphis women is Lyde Meriwether. She spent her early years in Memphis as a mother and wife. It wasn't until she was in her 50s that she says she found her voice. Meriwether began what she described as a life of larger thought and activity. In 1889, she helped to organize and became president of the first Tennessee Suffrage League, which was formed in Memphis. In the next few years, other Tennessee cities created leagues as well. A convention for those leagues was held in Nashville in 1897, where the Tennessee Equal Rights Association was formed. The 69-year-old Meriwether was elected president of the statewide organization. Then there's Charles Ormond Williams, who grew up in Arlington. Suffragists and anti-suffragists from around the country descended on Nashville to lobby lawmakers. Governor Albert Roberts appointed Williams, a reliable Democratic operative, to chair the Women's Steering Committee for ratification. On August 18, 1920, by a single vote, Tennessee became the 36th and final state to ratify the amendment. A photo in the exhibit shows Williams standing beside the governor as he signed the certificate of ratification. As for Meriwether, she continued her work for most of her life until her death in 1913 at age 84. Even though she never voted, her work and determination and that of all suffragists lives on 100 years later in every woman who exercises her right to vote. Visit the Central Library's History Department to see the Tennessee Women's Suffrage Centennial exhibit. We are on the 4th floor at 3030 Poplar. While you're here, you can look at material from the Memphis Room to find out more details about the role Memphians played in the suffragist movement. Or go to our website at memphislibrary.org. There you will find a digital presentation created by the History Department for Dig Memphis, our digital archive.